Hi everyone, my name is Michael Height and welcome to my course, Implementing Message Brokering with Amazon MQ. I'm a freelance cloud developer, architect, and trainer, and I'm a big fan of building software solutions that utilize message systems. In this course, I'm excited to present to you Amazon MQ, which is a cloud-managed implementation of ActiveMQ provided by Amazon Web Services. And through this course, you will see how you will be able to greatly benefit by running ActiveMQ in AWS using Amazon MQ. We'll start with an overview of Amazon MQ and its benefits. And then we'll dive deeper into all of the aspects of Amazon MQ that you need to know to get up and running. And as an added bonus, we'll create a Java application that sends and receives messages using Amazon MQ. Some of the major topics that we will cover include creating an Amazon MQ message broker, creating a Java application that sends and receives messages using that broker, securing access to broker resources using authorization maps, monitoring broker performance with CloudWatch, implementing high availability, and best practices for using Amazon MQ. By the end of the course, you will have a deep understanding of Amazon MQ, including the benefits that it provides. You will fully understand how to work with Amazon MQ from the AWS console and the ActiveMQ UI. And you will be able to interact with Amazon MQ from Java applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with AWS, and it will help to have an AWS account. And it will also benefit to have some knowledge of Java development, but not required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Amazon MQ with the Implementing Message Brokering with Amazon MQ course at Pluralsight.